This short video is on the uses and form of the zero conditional. The zero conditional is used for things that are consistent and predictable. The result always happens when the condition occurs. It's used for general truths, like what happens when you flick a switch or press a button. It's used for scientific facts like gravity or biology. And it's also used for norms and conventions like rules and laws, how to behave at school, or what to do when driving. The zero conditional uses the present simple tense in both clauses. The main clause is the predictable outcome when the if clause is met. Here are some simple example sentences. If it rains, the ground gets wet. If the traffic light is red, we stop and wait. If you drop a coin into water, it sinks. If you press that button, it turns on. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. If you don't water plants, they die. If you press zero, you get an outside line. Look at the below examples and identify which uses the zero conditional incorrectly. Leave your answer in the comments, A, B or C, and if you can explain why, even better. If people don't eat, they get hungry. If you leave ice in the sun, it melts. If you mix blue and green, you get pink.